Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best extension cord on the market right now, the Huanchain 100FT 16-gauge black indoor-outdoor extension cord. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile power solution for all your electrical needs, this product is definitely worth your attention. Let's start by exploring its specifications. The Huanchain extension cord features a robust 16-gauge design and is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a length of 100 feet, it provides ample reach for all your electrical appliances, tools, or even festive lighting. Its 10 amp and 1250 watt capacity ensure that it can handle most heavy-duty electrical equipment with ease. Whether you're powering up your holiday lights or running tools in your garage, this cord won't let you down. One standout feature of the Huanchain extension cord is its incredible flexibility. Made with high-quality materials, this cord is designed to remain pliable, even in cold weather conditions. It won't stiffen or crack when exposed to frigid temperatures, making it ideal for year-round use. This flexibility also means you can easily wind and store it without worrying about damaging the cord. Safety is a top priority with this extension cord. The Huanchain model boasts a flame-resistant, waterproof, and weather-resistant jacket, rated IP65. You can trust it to withstand rain, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions without compromising performance. Additionally, it features a 3-prong grounded outlet, providing an extra layer of safety for all your devices. But what truly sets this extension cord apart is its durability. With a strain relief design that withstands over 20,000 bends, this cord is built to last. Each power extension unit is subjected to a rigorous high-voltage test before it leaves the factory, ensuring that safety and reliability come standard. And let's not forget about its usability. The Huanchain extension cord is incredibly easy to use. Its super soft feel makes it a breeze to handle, while the included Velcro strap makes for convenient storage. You can quickly pack it away when not in use, ensuring it stays tangle-free and ready for your next project. What's more, Huanchain prides itself on providing excellent customer service. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, their support team is available 24/7 to assist you. This level of customer care truly enhances the overall experience of owning this product. In summary, the Huanchain 100FT 16-gauge extension cord stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone in need of a reliable and flexible power solution. Its impressive safety features, durability, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for both home and professional use. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Grab your Huanchain extension cord today, and power your projects with confidence. See you in the next video.